If you want to export your Google Photos to OneDrive, the easiest and safest way is to do it manually. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step process so you can move your photos over without confusion, without losing track of your files, and without wasting time trying to use methods that no longer work. Google Takeout has removed or limited the direct OneDrive transfer option, so the best method now is to download your photos from Google Photos and then upload them into OneDrive yourself. This gives you full control over what gets transferred and where it goes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Photos in your browser. Once you're on the Google Photos page, sign in if needed and make sure you can see the photos you want to move. Now take a moment to decide exactly which photos you want to export. You can select a few images, a whole album, or as many files as you want, depending on what you need to back up or move into OneDrive. After selecting your photos, look for the three-dot menu, also shown as the vertical ellipsis. Click that menu and choose Download. Google Photos will prepare the files and download them to your computer. If you selected multiple photos, they may download as a compressed file or several individual files, so wait for the process to finish before moving on. Once the download is complete, save everything to a folder on your PC that you can easily find later. This step is important because it keeps the transfer organized and makes the upload to OneDrive much easier. Now open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with the Microsoft account where you want your photos stored. Once OneDrive loads, go to the folder where you want to keep your Google Photos, or create a new folder if you want them organized by date, album, or event. This is a great idea if you're moving a large photo library and want to keep things neat from the start. Next, click Upload. Depending on your layout, you may see options for files or folder. If you only downloaded a few images, choose Files. If you want to move an entire folder of photos, choose Folder. Then browse to the location on your computer where you saved the Google Photos downloads and select the files or folder you want to upload. OneDrive will begin transferring the photos into your cloud storage. At this point, just wait for the upload to finish. If you have a lot of photos, it may take a while, especially if the files are large or your internet connection is slow. It's a good idea not to close the browser tab until the upload is fully complete. When the transfer is done, open the folder in OneDrive and quickly check that your photos are all there. That final check helps confirm that everything moved correctly and nothing was missed. And that's it. You've successfully exported Google Photos to OneDrive using the manual method. Even though there isn't a direct one-click transfer option anymore, this method is reliable, simple, and works well for any size photo collection. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.